Okay, so hello again.
Hello again. Hello again.
We meet again and talking small conversation. So tomorrow is weekend. Right?
Tomorrow is weekend.
And
Saturday and Sunday is holidays. Now it's Friday.
Okay. And what are you doing in Saturday?
Saturday I changed my car summer terrace and replace my Cadillac.
Oh, okay.
Yes. Cadillac is best car.
Yeah, it's old cars.
Old car.
Like
yes.
him.
Yes, very nice car.
Yeah, very nice kind. And at Sunday, what are you doing?
Sunday, tomorrow evening I drinking little cognac, and Sunday I sleeping. Yes, because Monday is working day.
Working again.
Yes,
So you have to more sleep to working in Monday. Okay.
Okay. Yes. Okay.
Okay.
But no smoking. No smoking.
Yeah.
When I young boy, I smoking cigarettes, but no now.
No.
Okay.
Because we must to save our body healthy man, healthy guys.
Okay.
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 And, how about in Vapu?
Vapu is I running 21 kilometers. I running, yes. It's Vapu.
And you see the first Vapu in town. Maybe all of old car is driving.
Rising, yes. Vapu is old car rising is many beautiful old cars is rising in Kajaani.
Okay, and next month you will join the cars.
Yes.
With your cars.
No, about and Cadillac is moving is 3 weeks. 3 weeks is Cadillac.
Oh.
Replace 3 weeks. When sun is shining, now it's very cold. Very good. Finnish summer is very good now.
Yeah.
But July and June and August is about 20-25 degrees Celsius degree. Yeah. Now is May is very cold. Yes. About 10. Actually, yes.
But it's still summertime. No, it's springtime.
Springtime. Now it's spring. Yes.
But almost anywhere is snow.
There is no
snow.
Summer. No little
snow.
Finish summer.
Finish summer.
But in July and August, no snow.
Okay.
It's 3 months is summer. Yes, 3 months.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Thank you. Okay.
Finish.
Kiitos.
Kiitos.
Thank you is kiitos.
Thank you is kiitos. You are welcome is.
Ole hyvä.
Ole hyvä.
Ole hyvä.
Kiitos.
Ole hyvä.
Okay.
Hei hei.